Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today we have the brand new phone from Infinix, which is the Infinix Smart 2. So Infinix says that this is the India's new superstar. So this phone is a small packet but a big bomb. So in this video, we're going to check out the first look of the new Infinix Smart 2. So friends, this is the all new Infinix Smart 2. From the new Smart series of Infinix. This is how the box looks like, very smart and classy. So to get started, we'll just see the features of the phone, the highlights. So in a sub 6000 category, you're getting a full view display of 18:9 aspect ratio with 8 megapixel dual flash low light selfie camera. It has a dual VoLTE with 4G plus 4G solutions. Also in such a affordable category range, it is offering face unlock. That's very premium feature. Battery is 3050 mAh and Android's latest version, Android 8.1. So let's quickly just open the box. Currently we have the 2GB plus 16GB variant with us. There is one more variant of 3GB available. On the top there is the Infinix Smart 2. This is how it looks like. We'll come back to the phone in a while. Till that, we'll just see what all are the contents in the box. Here we have a flat style micro USB charging cable. Then there is this charging adapter, 5 volt 1.2 ampere, user guide and warranty card. So here you can see the screen guard is already pre-installed. Talking about the looks of the phone, it looks quite good, premium. On the top you have this earpiece, front camera and the LED flash in the front as well, which is customizable. That's a very nice feature. Then in the bottom bar we have the 3.5 audio jack, mouthpiece and the charging port. Right, we have the power button and the volume rocker. So power button is a texture and the volume rocker is plain, but it is in the split format. On the top there is nothing, on the left side there's nothing. So to put the SIM, there is no SIM tray as such. You have to put the SIM by removing the back panel. So here we can see that there's a dedicated SD card slot through which you can expand the memory to 128GB, and there are 2 nano SIMs slot. On the back there's this back camera with the dual LED flash Infinix logo, and the speaker grill is here in a very stylish kind of this look. And we can see the colors are really bright and vibrant, although the brightness is right now just 50%. Then too, the brightness is quite good. See, the viewing angles are pretty decent. Touch response is also fine, no lag as such. Along with that, if we talk about the apps, there are some apps which are already pre-installed, like WhatsApp, Facebook, X Club and Flip shopping app like Flipkart. So it is a Flipkart exclusive phone. Flipkart is already installed here. So let's look at the screen. It's a 5.45 inches good big screen, offering you a 18:9 aspect ratio and around 83% screen to body ratio. So you can see the side bezels are quite thin, but the top and the bottom bezel is a little thicker, and it fits well in the hand, does not slip as such, and you can do a lot of one hand operation on this, no issues with that. Let's run through the settings part. So on the OS segment, it has a XOS 3.3.0, which is powered by Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. 2GB is the RAM and ROM is 16GB. The other variant is 3GB plus 32GB combination. So now we'll look forward to the camera section. In this phone, we'll firstly talk about the front camera. Here you can see front camera is 8 megapixel shooter. So in this range, 8 megapixel selfie camera with low light bokeh effect and everything. So it's all like fully packed in the camera segment. in this particular price range. So it has, the best part is the front LED flash, dual tone LED flash is there in the front, and you know, this light, the flashlight could be in control, like you know, you can adjust the light as per the lighting scenario in which you are. And talking about the back camera, it's a 13 megapixel PDAF back camera. It has all the good features like HDR, beauty mode, night mode, panorama and everything.
So guys, this was the quick look and unboxing of the Infinix Smart 2 for you guys. This has been launched in two variants, 2GB plus 16GB, which is in the price range of 5,999, and the other variant is 3GB plus 32GB, which is priced at 6,999. This is a Flipkart exclusive phone and will be available from 10th of August. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.